a good thing my mother never taught me to cover my mouth. That way the jury can see me.
Why does this guy keep yawning next to me?
I wouldn't normally make a video about a guy yawning, but this is getting ridiculous. This is a lawyer in a court of law. This is either piss poor courtroom etiquette, but I don't think so. This is on purpose. The guy never covers his mouth. He looks at the jury all the time. And I hope the judge and the prosecution know he's doing this all the time. He always looks over the jury. I've seen this been happening since the beginning of the trial. I mean, I could have put a bunch more clips, but I have to go through like days of the trial. This is today. He's even doing the stretch. This is day 15. Day 15 of the trial. He looks over the jury. This is not your, he's trying to say this is, it's not worth listening to this jury. Every time he does it, it's the prosecution witness. He's trying to say, this is boring. This is boring. This is making me yawn. It should be making you yawn too, Jerry. What a piece of work.